Welcome to the channel. This is City Dad Farming. So today we're going to be looking at the animals on our farm. We have a bunch of animals that live on and around our farm. Some are ours and a lot of them are our neighbors, and some are just visiting wild animals. But there's no shortage. I'm proud to say that all our domestic animals have been saved from local county shelters. His nickname is the Old Man. Little trivia, the cats are named after Sam and Carly from the Disney TV show. Here comes the biggest reason this farm life's ever been even possible. I call him Butter, 'cause he's sweet like butter. I will say the one thing that I noticed all these animals have in common is they all like to roll in the grass.
You're in the water.
His hobbies are seal impersonations and getting wet. I'm not sure, but I think these turtles actually found us instead of we found them. If you watched any of my previous videos, you probably heard these guys in the background, providing the soundtrack. Okay. So that brings us to the end of today's video. If you like what you saw, give it a big thumbs up. And make sure to tap that subscribe button to join our family. Thanks for watching.